Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 10 best blenders. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 10 in my list is Cleanblend Commercial Blender. If you're not ready to spring for the Vitamix and you don't mind trading the Oster's longer warranty for a little more power, go for the 1,800-watt Cleanblend blender. The Cleanblend's strong motor helps pulverize berry seeds in ice, creating creamier smoothies and pina coladas than even the Vitamix can produce. This model's jar is made of thick, durable Triton plastic and has a comfortable, grippy handle. Unlike the Oster blender, the Cleanblend doesn't have any preset buttons and doesn't offer much variance between the low and high speeds. In our testing, the Cleanblend's motor has held up better than the Oster's and is still going strong after 4 years of regular use. But Cleanblend covers this blender with only a 5-year warranty, in contrast to the 7 years of coverage from both Vitamix and Oster. And since Cleanblend has been around only since 2023, we're still a little uncertain of the company's staying power and the reliability of its customer service. Number 9 in my list is Oster Versa Pro blender. The Oster Versa Pro series blender is the best of a new breed of more budget-friendly high-powered blenders. Compared with similarly priced blenders, this 1,400-watt model offers more speed variations and runs more quietly. It's also one of the few models that come with a tamper for bursting air pockets in thick mixtures. At 17 inches tall, it will fit better on a counter under a cabinet than most other high-performance blenders. We don't think this is the absolute best blender out there, and it doesn't compare to Vitamix blenders in power and longevity. We burned out our Oster after 2.5 years, but it does have serious blending skills, a user-friendly design, and a solid 7-year warranty. If you don't want to throw down almost $500 on a powerful blender, the Oster is your best bet. Number 8 in my list is Vitamix 5200 White Pro Blender. In our tests from 2023 to now, Vitamix blenders have always performed the best overall. The classic Vitamix 5200 is the only one we've tried that can make creamy peanut butter and puree hearty soup without spewing molten liquid up the sides of the jar. It doesn't have any preset buttons, but it does offer the widest range of speeds, far wider than on the comparably priced Blendtec Designer 675 of any blender we've tested. It's a favorite in many professional kitchens and juice bars. We've also found the Vitamix 5200 to be one of the most reliable and durable blenders we've tested. And if the motor burns out within the 7-year warranty period, Vitamix will promptly replace the machine. Number 7 in my list is Wolf Gourmet Pro Blender. The Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender stood out to us in many ways with its sleek design, featuring its signature red knob and lightweight jar with a comfortable handle. There are 10 speed settings on the blender and 4 pre-programmed options: soup, puree, ice crush, and smoothie. This blender produced a very smooth, thick milkshake and a smoothie that was creamy and homogeneous. In our tests, this super powerful blender also produced great frozen drinks. It also has a unique emulsion cap that allows you to add oil to the blender at an optimal pace to get a great emulsion in sauces and dressings. This pick is also sized to fit under most cabinets. The blender jar is hand wash only. Number 6 in my list is KitchenAid K400 blender. This sleek blender claims to blend even the toughest ingredients, from kale to almonds, and it passed our test with flying colors. We couldn't taste the kale in our smoothie. It crushed ice into snow-like consistency, and it even blended chia seeds smoothly. It features easy-to-use presets for crushing ice, smoothies, and icy drinks. Plus, a little soap and water added to the self-clean cycle makes sure no food bits are left behind in hard-to-reach spots. In our tests, we noticed that the start button is a little small and sometimes needed to be pressed several times to activate. We love its sleek design and that you can pick from a variety of fun colors. While this blender is at a lower price point compared to similar high-powered blenders, KitchenAid also has a smaller and lower-cost model that performed well in our tests. The K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender allows you to easily whirl up a soup or a smoothie in one batch, even though its pitcher has a smaller 6-cup capacity. Number 5 in my list is Cuisinart FP700 and 3BC Blender. This highly popular Cuisinart blender and food processor combo has a low-profile 40-ounce glass jar and 7 blending and processing options that are clearly marked and easy to use. We love that it comes with a compact food processor bowl for chopping, stirring, and shredding. When blender testing, we found that this blender was very easy to clean and that it ground ingredients exceptionally well. And once the food processor attachment was on, we were even more impressed with how this model minced parsley, shredded carrots, and sliced pepperoni. All parts, except for the base, are dishwasher safe. Of note, at 500 watts, this is not the most high-powered blender, and if you do overwork the blender, it will stop working temporarily until it cools down. Number 4 in my list is Ninja SS101 Blender. If you prefer to be able to choose between a personal smoothie and a smoothie bowl, then the Foodie Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a great pick. This personal blender's jar features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency. Perfect for a smoothie bowl. In our tests, this model tackled both green and berry smoothies with ease with very few residual seeds and super smooth results. This model also suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style auto smoothie setting. In addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model comes with 2 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. If you want the option to switch between personal smoothies and blending up party-sized batches of frozen margaritas, then the Foodie Power Blender and Processor System is another great pick from the Ninja Foodie line. In our tests, the blender produced smooth and creamy soups and milkshakes. Number 3 in my list is Breville Fresh Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from tomato sauce. Another high-performing blender from Breville that we have tested is the Breville 3X Oster Pro. In our tests, this model produced creamy and smooth soup and a strawberry green smoothie that had no sign of kale. While this model is a little more pricey, it does offer the ability to juice with it as well. 2 appliances in 1. Number 2 in my list is NutriBullet ZMBF 30500Z Blender. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It comes with a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the personal cups and then get inverted to be blended, so be careful to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base of the blender when you're done blending. It's easy to accidentally make a mess if unscrew the cup from the blade instead. Number 1 in my list is Vitamix VM0197 Blender. There's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do when it comes to blending, pureeing, and grinding ingredients. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from silky smooth green smooths to creamy soup and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests. easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and silky smooth margaritas in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick. It's a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. One note is that the carafe is on the small side at just 6 cups. In need of a blender with a larger carafe, the Vitamix Ascent blender also performed exceptionally well at grinding nut butter and blending milkshakes and smoothies. It has a 64-ounce jar, one of the largest we evaluated, which means it's perfect for big batches. We found the touchscreen controls easy to use, the jar fits on the base nicely, and the see-through plastic lid comes on and off effortlessly. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.